What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Build Network, and we're gonna discuss today, or rather, have a fun activity with OSINT, or open source intelligence. So I'm here in my Kali machine. We're gonna go to my digital playground, tryhackme.com, which lets you, play with certain rooms, be it premium subscriber or free subscriber. This OSINT room, I'm not too sure whether it's for premium or free, but that's what we're gonna do today. So in brief, open source intelligence is the act of searching passively your target without interacting with them. So it's a huge topic to cover, but that's basically what is OSINT is about. You gather all the information available in public, be it social network, be it information about you online that we can gather and the person can gather on you. This exercise from tryhackme is fun if you guys are into CTF or capture the flag challenges. There are a bunch of them online, like hack this site, over the wire, and the list goes on. So without further ado, let's start this fun challenge. Okay, first thing we need to do is download the file. I think I have already downloaded the file in my downloads. Let's me have a look. Yeah, I have already, which is basically a Windows machine. Sorry, a Windows wallpaper machine. So what can we do with this picture? I mean, actually, if you guys remember, this is the Windows XP famous background. If you're that old to remember, but what we're gonna use against this machine, this picture is a tool called EXIF tool, which strips the metadata from this picture. And if you don't have EXIF tool installed in your system, you just go ahead and put sudo apt install EXIF tool, and you install it. Okay, so from the EXIF tool, it gives once it strips down all the metadata from the picture, it gives you a bunch of information that as you can see here, the owner of the picture and the details of the longitude and the latitude. Okay, so first step that we're gonna do is search this person online. Okay, who is this Wood Flint, and hit enter. So it gives us his Twitter page, his blog, and his GitHub profile. So all these three information are very useful to us. My internet is a bit slow because I'm using a VPN and proxy chains, but you can see a block from Oliver Wood Flint that says, "I'm in New York right now, so I will update this site right away with new photos." Sorry. From the questions, we see that what is this person's password? Where has he gone on holidays? So that we know. Just now we've seen that New York. You can submit that, and the email address also, there is a hint on the GitHub profile under his repository people finder. So we're gonna copy this email address and answer this question. There you go. Which site did we find this? We found it on GitHub. All right. And what is this person's password? Now the password, most users, I think they hide it on the source code, or most developers back in the days, I would say, not now. Now it would be very hard. They don't do that anymore. But you can see that those comments in green, that developers, they leave as a hint or their comment, for their source code. But if you look through in the source code, you can see that the password is right there in plain sight, penny dropper, which we're gonna copy. And he did I would say a good job, but he left it in white color, so we cannot see it. You can't really see it right here because it's white on white, so you can't see a thing. But if hopefully I'm correct, so we got that right. Okay, so what's left is the avatar made of. I think we got that figured out. Is the cat, so we can answer that question. Cat, and the city, this person in, and the person in, and also the SSID. Okay, so on his Twitter page, he says, I like open source project, therefore the GitHub. Okay, and I like taking photos. But he left a clue about his SSID right here. That's where we're going to use, to find his location or to pinpoint his location, using this website called wiggle.net. Coffee. So Wiggle it's all networks found by everyone, as the title says. But what it does actually, it shows a map around the world of the SSIDs of the Wi-Fi networks all around. We're gonna zoom the map out, okay, until we see the map. It might take some time. Like I said, I'm using a VPN, and proxy chains, so it's gonna take some time to load the map. But we can go ahead and paste the SSID right here, and we're going to filter that. Let me just wait for the map to load. And we can hit filter. I'm gonna wait for the site to respond or pinpoint the location of the Wi-Fi. If the sites want to work with us. Are you gonna work with us? Are you gonna work with us? Oh, I see error plot. Not sure why is it giving me error, but if you can click on filter, let me reload the site and see. I'm gonna allow my location to be, but it's still giving me an error. Hang on, let me just go and fix that quickly. I don't know what's wrong with the site, but it refused to give me the location. But since I've done it before, I think it put restriction on the search of the Wi-Fi ID. But what basically, once you put it for the first time, it will show you, it will pinpoint to London, and that's how we can answer the question right here. What city is this person in, and submit. And regarding the name of the Wi-Fi is going to be Unilever, I think, Unilever Wi-Fi. Yeah, and there you have it. We have completed the room. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy this kind of, capture the flag, or vulnerable rooms from tryhackme or hack the box. I might do a few in the future. And I'm sorry that the site couldn't work with me. I think it put a restriction on the BSSID. Never mind, I'll try and do make it up for you guys on the next challenge. So with that, we have answered all the questions. Thank you very much for sticking out in the end. I'll catch you till the next one, and peace.